Hey guys, my name is Sahib and welcome to Code channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a React carousel or React slider using React Slick. So if you're ready, let's get started. So here I have created a simple React application and also I have installed the Tailwind CSS for styling. And if you're not aware of how to install the Tailwind CSS, I have created a separate video and you will get the link in the description box. So let's get started. So in order to create the slider, we have to create a few slides. So in the real-time project, you will get this kind of data from the server API response. Since our application is not connected with any server, so I have created one array, and this array contains few objects, and each objects are having image and title. So these images I have stored in a public folder images directory, and few mobile images I have stored here. So let's create the card first. So in the app.jsx, so here the app is running, and let's give the height auto, and the background should be select 600, and let's create a container. And the container height should be 400 pixel, and width should be 3 by 4, and in order to align it center, margin should be auto. Let's add a border. We'll check. This is how it looks now. Let's give it screen, means vertical height, so it will take the full height of the screen. And so margin y-axis 10, sorry, it should be paddy. Okay, so let's create the container. In order to create the container, I'll be using this data. Let's iterate this dot map, item and index, and it will return all deep. The key. Let's add one more div for the image. So C should be item dot image. So images are coming now. Let's style the image. So we'll add some Tailwind classes, which should be 40, height also 40, and object contain. Let's see, it looks like this, and one more div I'll add, and this div will contain the title. P item dot title, and class should be font semi bold, and color should be text white, and the title container will add some padding p10, and the background color, let's add blue 600. Let's see how it looks. 600, padding should be 6 should be fine. Okay, so this is how it looks for now. Let's increase the image size a little bit with 60. Now it looks proper. Okay, so for Sleek, so this is the official site. If you search with on Google, if you search with React Sleek, so you have to click the first link and let's click the document. So we need to install two packages. One is, this is the first one, which will install the React Sleek. Another one is the carousel. It contains the CSS of it. So let's install. First we'll kill the server, paste it, and then let's copy the second command, then paste. So both the packages are installed now. You'll find it under the package.json file, and you have to copy these two styles, otherwise it will not look good. So let's import those two files. Okay, so this is the basic, the boilerplate slider code. So first we need to import this slider component, and this slider component you have to wrap it here. See, currently it will not work because you have to, okay, so server is not up. You see, it's taking the default, so you can configure it. Suppose you want to display 3 items or 4 items, or how many items you want to scroll while clicking this right button or left button, or whether you want some dots or all. So this kind of configuration you have to do. So in the settings, so this dot, right, if you are passing true value, you'll find the dot will be coming here. And whether you want to slide infinite time, so the value should be true. You can control the speed of the slide scroll, and how many slides you want to show, or how many slides you want to scroll. So all the configurations you can do, and this you have to pass here. Settings, here you have to pass it. So now you see there is no change. Okay, let's remove this border for now, and let's remove the height. So currently it looks like this. So how many items? For 3, and 1 should be. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, so you have to pass like this. Now you see the changes, the dots are coming, and 3 items are getting displayed. And if you don't want this dot, so simply pass false. See, the dots are gone. Let's revert the change. And if currently 1 item is getting scrolled, and if you want 3 or 2, let's put 3. Let's check. 3s are getting scrolled. So one problem which I found, like there is no gap coming between this cards. So for that, what you can do, we have a React slider class, and that you can use it under this index.css file. So .sleek dash slide, and then under we have a deep container. So here you can put a margin which is 0, then 10 pixel. Now you see, you'll find this gap. Okay, so it's not looking proper. Let's fix the design. You can do like this, and block and margin auto. Images are centered, and here you can change the color BG white. So now you see the slide is working properly. So this kind of stuff you can build in your own project and you can use it in your office project. So that's all for this video. If you like it, please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel for more video like this in future. See you next time.